Okay, come on, camera here. I do an unboxing of this. Got this in my sister. From Portugal. She went to Portugal and got me this in Portugal. This nice tram. Here it is. And it says lesbian on it. The capital. It says divided and something. Right. And it can, it's 50 kilometers long. Interesting. Okay, got to the tram tracks. Try to open this up. Okay, I don't know what's up with this. It does pull back, that's awesome. It's having some trouble with this packaging. There, get the scotch tape off, because I really want this. This. What? Oh, come on. You put screws in this. Like, why? I'll jump cut and I will find a screwdriver to get this thing out of the package. That grinds my gears. Like, why? Back, I got it unboxed. This nice tram. Here it is. I can pull back. I like it, and I just don't like this company called Menta and Lemon. It says made in China, and then there's, but just don't put those screws in again, okay? Like, that doesn't make sense. Yeah. Yeah, I like this, but the company just needs to do some improvements when you want to unbox something. Like, why have screws in there and there? Yeah. But it's good. I like this. It's really nice. It's these are in Portugal. My sister got me this. I really like it. It's a nice pullback thing, and it's die-cast metal, I think. And yeah, it's really nice. Can pull back like this. I like it. It's really nice. And it's a nice pullback. And yeah, seats in it and everything. And that's where the driver will sit. And then it'll switch around, and then the driver will sit there. So yeah. I just wanted to show you this, and that's me for now. And it says lesbian in Portuguese. There it is. There it is. I like the colors, and yep, that's all me for now. So comment, gamer, showing off. He's going outside, hit the button, and doors are open.